Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a group of curious and adventurous kids. They loved exploring and learning about the world around them. One day, they stumbled upon an old, dusty book in the village library. It was filled with stories of great heroes and their extraordinary journeys. Inspired by the tales, the kids decided to embark on their own adventure. They formed a team and set off to conquer their fears and achieve their dreams. Each child had a unique talent and passion. There was Alex, the brave leader with a heart full of determination. Emily, the creative artist who could turn ordinary objects into magical wonders. Max, the brilliant problem solver with an insatiable thirst for knowledge. And Lily, the empathetic friend who always encouraged others to do their best. Together, they faced challenges and overcame obstacles. They learned the value of teamwork, perseverance, and believing in themselves. With every step they took, they grew stronger and wiser. They discovered that success is not just about reaching the destination, but also about enjoying the journey. Their adventure taught them that dreams do come true if you work hard and never give up. They returned to their village as heroes, inspiring other kids to dream big and chase their passions. And so, the village became a place filled with young dreamers, eager to create their own stories of courage and triumph. The power of their imagination and determination transformed their lives, making their dreams a reality. Remember, dear children, that within each one of you lies the potential for greatness. Embrace your passions, face your fears, and never stop believing in yourself. Your own incredible adventure awaits. If you enjoyed this story, we would appreciate your support. Please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.